Welcome to Medico Crazy guys. So today in this video we are gonna talk about a very important topic, that is vitamins. The word is derived from a Latin word which is vita, which means life. So vitamin are nothing but are the organic components in food that are needed in very small amount for growth and for the maintenance of the good health. So everybody must eat a certain amount of vitamin to stay healthy. So they are found in a very small amount in many different kind of food products, different kind of foods, and they are required in small quantities in the diet, because we cannot synthesize vitamins in our body. The vitamins are not synthesized by the body, so we need them in small quantities, and we have to eat a food which is rich in vitamin. So next we will talk about why they are good for us, why we are talking about this topic. So the very first thing is they have a greater need due to the worse environment. We need vitamin so much for our growth and development. The second thing is it improves the immunity. It helps us to fight with different diseases and infections. Third is it prevents the illness, and the last is it slower the aging. So the next we have to know that every vitamin should be in balance. So if we have increased amount of certain vitamin, this is called hypervitaminosis, and if there is a less vitamin present in our body, this is called vitamin deficiency, and both are the pathologies. So the next we will talk about the functions of the vitamins. Vitamins have very vital and essential functions in our body. So the very first function is they build up the resistance of body against diseases. They help us to fight with certain diseases. The second is it prevent and cure various diseases caused by the deficiency. That means the diseases which is caused by the deficiency of vitamin, they help us to cure them. The next is they help in the digestion and utilization of mineral salts and carbohydrates in the body. Next is it stimulates and gives strength to the digestive and nervous system both, because for the digestion, for the absorption of the certain food, we need vitamin, and also for the formation of neurotransmitters we need vitamin. Next is they help in health protection, and the last is they help in maintenance of the proper healthy and normal growth of an individual. So the next we will classify the vitamins. So on the basis of solubility, we classify vitamin in two main types. These two main types are, number first is fat soluble, and the second is water soluble vitamins. Fat soluble and water soluble. Fat soluble vitamins we have are vitamin A, D, E and K, and these vitamins dissolve in fat because fat is easily stored in our body. So these fat soluble vitamins can be stored within our fat. This means they can accumulate and can be saved and for the later uses. So the water soluble vitamin we have is B complex and vitamin C. There are 8 type of B complexes we have, that is B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B7, B9 and B12. So these water soluble vitamin, they dissolve in water because our body is a watery environment. So these vitamin can move through our body pretty easily, and they can also be flushed out by the kidney. They can be easily excreted from the body. So let's look at this table. As we know that we classified vitamin as water soluble and fat soluble. So the water soluble vitamin again classified into two types, that is non-B complex, that is vitamin C, and B complex vitamins. And the fat soluble vitamin we have of 4 types: vitamin A, D, vitamin E and vitamin K. So B complex vitamin again we classified into 3 main types, that is first is the energy releasing vitamin, next is hematopoietic vitamins which help in RBC and blood cells formation and others. So the energy releasing vitamin are B1, B2, B3 biotin and pantothenic acid. Hematopoietic vitamin are folic acid, that is B9, and vitamin B12. Others we have is pyridoxine, that is B6, pyridoxal and pyridoxamine. We will talk about each and every vitamin in more details in the next videos. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you like the video. Thank you so much for watching.